I'm going to tell about a corridor which name is IMEC. The full form of it is India Middle East Economic Corridor. It will be between India to till Europe, and the length of it will be 4,800 kilometer. So I will divide my point in three subpoints, like what is IMEC and why we need this as an alternative, and what will be the benefits of using this as an alternative. The first one is what is IMEC. As I told, it will be the corridor between India to till Europe, and at length I also have mentioned about it, and it will be divided into two parts: eastern corridor and northern corridor. Eastern corridor will be between India to till Gulf countries, and the northern corridor will be between from Gulf countries to till Europe, and it will make trade of India to till Europe easy. So why we need this as an alternative, and why there is need to trade with Europe, why it is compulsory? Because I will mention some statistics in this. India's bilateral trade with Europe, it is 136 billion dollar. And if I talk about Europe is India's second largest exporter, and the index statistics of that is 60 billion dollar. So you can see here the statistics of trading with Europe. So we have to trade with. So how we were trading with that? We were trading with Europe by using Suez Canal. So why we can't do now? Because there are a lot of security concern, permissions we have to take, and it became expensive also. How there is a security concern? Because uh, when we go from Suez Canal, we have to pass through Red Sea, and in Red Sea, Houthi tribes and Somalia pirates both are attacking continuously, and because of that, we are having security concern. And if I talk about how it became expensive, because Suez Canal is not much width, its width is less, so because of that, there is a lot of traffic, and that's why Egypt government decided that we will increase that taxes from there, and from January 2024, it increased taxes from there from 15%. So that why it became expensive. So if I talk about why there is permission issues, like if our that shipment will go from India to till Europe, in middle we have to take a lot of permission on every port, each and every port. That's why it takes time also. So because of that, all these things, we choose an alternative as Cape of Good Hope. So why we can't go from there also? Because if we go from there, then in every round we have to pay $1 million extra. So it is also expensive. So then that with the help of I2U2, Abraham Accord, and also that USA's diplomatic talks, with the help of all of these, there are 8 countries which will participate in IMEC. First is India, then Saudi Arab, UAE, Israel, and Germany, Italy, France, and Europe market. All will participate in it. And by the help of it, why we need this? What will be the benefits of this? This I would like to mention it now. Like if we will go through that path, that our transportation system will become 40% faster, and it will not be that much expensive. And the second thing is there, like as we know, Europe is well developed country, and Middle East having a lot of energy, and India is world fastest developing country. If all three will combine with the help of any corridor and of anything else, then they will have a chance to use potential of each other. And the third thing is here, like we will not have any kind of security concern. There will be no any kind of security concern also. And the permission, if our shipment will go from India to till last of destination, there will be no checking. It will till destination, no one will check it except India. And we will have more things like GDP growth. How we will have GDP growth, like in that, as we know, India is working in solar panels and all these things. So that in our corridor, they will use electricity and green hydro pipelines also. So India is working on both these, and India will invest its pipeline, green hydro pipeline, in that one, and it will transport its green hydrogen energy till Europe and many more countries. So it will increase GDP growth of India also. So in this manner, we will not have any permission issues, we will not have any security concern, and it will also increase the GDP growth of India, and it will help every country to use potential of each other.